This is Mr. and Mrs. Cook with the jewel of the season. Here comes Monkey Boy.
And Cody. Not yet, but she's about to. Okay, the anticipation has been mounted. They're counting the votes as we speak. Who'd y'all vote for? Who'd you vote for? Who'd you vote for? Who'd you vote for? Huh? Who'd you vote for? Who'd you vote for? Who'd you vote for? Who'd you vote for?
Monkey Boy.
Who'd you vote for? Oh! They have the votes counted! They have the votes counted! Let's go.
So I want to hear your names one by one.
Kelly?
Loud.
Kelly? No. Alice.
Tanner.
Johanna.
Michaela. Caroline. Jack.
Alex.
Myrtle.
Zach.
Kara.
Steven.
CJ. Mackenzie. Cody. CJ. Krista. What? Ashley.
Mark.
Keely. Helena.
Phil.
Elena.
Christina. Eleni. Maria.
Nick. EJ. AJ.
Air.
Monkey Boy, aka Will.
Woo!
I am Chris. Rat.
Alright, so is he here? If you don't know the names, now you know the names. We have, out of 25 votes, we have 14 votes for a guy and 10 for a girl. Okay? So, the first winner is, with 10 votes, Miss Phil Cody! With 14 votes, the winner for Mr. Phil, it's me! Alright, give me hands for the 14 vote is Mr. Will!
Monkey Boy!
Now, traditional. We have the traditional Mr. and Miss Phil dance, slow dance. Coming up.
Good luck!
By the way, we have 2 more for Kelly, 1 more for Mackenzie, 2 for Alex, 2 for Chris, 1 for Ryan, 2 for Volka. How do you spell your name?
Boca, B-O-C-A.
M-A-R-K.
It's Boca.
Because they're weird.
Because he's from Boca.
And the rest of it, Monkey Boy, Will, and Kelly.
That's
Cody, sorry.
Oh, how do you feel about losing? How do you feel about losing? Okay. How do you feel about losing?
She got 2 boys.
Woo. How do you feel about losing?
Let it go.
Whitney and Big Kilo.
I've been hitting it too.
By the way,
Get rid of that.
if you guys have your partners here, you can come up and dance together if you like to. Just warm up. Because tonight we're gonna have slow dance. All is gonna be slow dance. You guys gonna dance all together slow. Get your partners.
I've been waiting. Hold on, I need to get them to dance.
Get all together.
This video is mostly waiting. Dance, y'all.
Boy and girl.
Let's go, Mrs. Fuel.
Go get your girls, please.
This is funny.
Get your girls.
It's taking a very long time.
When you go home, you guys gonna be